Okay, so just a few orders I thought I'd share with you while as they've come in. So I need to make sure these are going out. Okay, so we have got this order is, got these scrunchies for this order. Now thank you very much, Caitlin, for ordering these. We're trying to reduce our plastic usage. So we are going to send them in just the normal brown recyclable boxes. If you do require gift wrapping, please do let us know. So this is just one order. Now every single order will have a personalised discount code which is personal to you. So you might get free postage and packaging, you might get 10% off, and there's even a chance for you to even win your order. So yeah, make sure you look out for these cards because they will have your free discount code on there, which, like I said, is personal to you. So I'll get that one done for you, Caitlin. And yeah, let me just write down the code on this one. So that's a discount code in there along with the card. Pop that in there.